In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on firewall in Avast Free Antivirus. If you had turned your firewall off or it was accidentally turned off, then let me show you how you can turn it on. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. The first thing you need to do is to open your Avast Antivirus, and you can do it from here, tapping on the icon. Alternatively, you can open it from here. If you tap on it, it will go ahead and open, but the current status of our antivirus, we are told the firewall is turned off. So to turn it on, you can simply turn on from here. Alternatively, if you don't see this button or this option, go to protection, and then you'll see firewall option here. Tap on it, then toggle this button after firewall to on. Once you toggle it, the status will go back to OK, meaning the protection will be on. One thing you have to note is that you will not be protected, or your computer will be at risk if firewall is turned off. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.